Right guys, so this is Dennis from Spotahome. Today we're here visiting this apartment in Valencia. It's a really nice apartment since it's situated in a really centric area of the city. It's also really well connected since we got a bus stop really near. It also has a sports center really near, so that's really nice because it's equipped with a swimming pool, so you can go either in winter or in summer. And yeah, it's also, well, it has all the services that you need. It has a pharmacy really near. It got also a food supermarket. So yeah, let's check it out. Alright, so we're gonna start the tour over here from the entrance of the house. This would be the entrance, so we can take a look over here. Okay, so as we can see, it's a pretty wide open entrance with 4 doors. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna start from here. As we can see, we already have here a heating unit. So we're gonna take a look over here. Okay, so you can check it out. Okay, so we got 2 pictures over here, which decorates the wall. We got also this mirror and this table over here, so you can leave your keys or whatever you need. We got also a picture over there and a light over here. Okay, and we go over here and we're gonna check out first this bedroom. Okay, this one would be bedroom number 2, so you can take a look at it. Okay, over here, it's equipped with a heating unit, as we can see over there. We got a shelf over here. Okay, we got a chest of drawers over here, which is pretty big, and we got a window, pretty big too, so there's a lot of light entering from here. This is an interior bedroom, since we got these views over here from this interior patio. Okay, and we got a single-sized bed, a piece of furniture over here with your more drawers and a picture. Okay, and yeah, this would be the side from here. Got the bed, the window, okay, and the door and the shelf. Okay, so this would be bedroom number 2. Now we're gonna head into the to the bathroom, which is over here. So we got a mirror, we got a shower, and everything we need. Some shelves over here to store our products from the bathroom. Okay, so this would be the bathroom over here. All right, so you can take a look at it. Now we're gonna head into the kitchen, which is the next part of the apartment. So let's check it out over here. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty big. We got everything that we need over here. We got the sink. We got here a lot of space to store our food. We got our microwave. We got our oven. We got here some more drawers. We got the washing machine, fridge over here. We got this table over here with 2 chairs, so you can eat or study, work, whatever you want to do. And we got also another window over here, which gives into a interior patio too. Okay, so you can check it out over here. And now we're gonna head into bedroom number 3. Okay, as you can see, we got a pretty big wardrobe. I'm gonna open it just so you can check it out. Okay, so we got a lot of space, plenty of space to store our clothes. Okay, we got a single-sized bed over here too, as you can see. We got a table over here and the window, which it's the same views as the kitchen ones. Gives into this interior patio. Okay, so you can check it out. So we're gonna go and head into the rest of the apartment. We see in the bathroom, bedroom number 2. This is the entrance, and now we're gonna head into the living room. As you can see, it's a pretty big living room. So we're gonna check it out over here. All right, decorating the living room, we got this pretty big picture over here. We got a heating unit over there. We got this pretty big table, okay, with 4 chairs, as we can see, so you can eat or work or whatever you want to do. We also got 2 windows. This would be the first of them, which gives into this interior patio. Okay, and we got the other window over there, which also gives into another interior patio. Let's take a look over here, just in case you want to check it out. Okay, that will be the door where you enter the living room. And then we got this space over here, which has three couches over here, as you can see. We got this really big piece of furniture over there. So you can see it's pretty wide, pretty big. We got also another mirror over there and a table over here. Okay, and this would be the door of bedroom number 1. Okay, so this is pretty much the living room and the visit for the apartment. Alright guys, so this has been the visit for today. This is Dennis from Spotahome. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.